Hello everyone, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now make a ponytail, divide it from the between and then rotate it. Now make the plaits at the ends of the hairs. Now fold it upward and fix it inside the rubber bands. Now fold the hairs upward and fix it using the bun pin to make a bun. Roll it and your bun is ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now take the hairs from one side and fix it on the left and then tie the ponytail and fix it on the right side. Now make the plaits and fold it upward and fix it and it's ready. Next, you have to take a hairs and make the ponytail like this. Now fix it in the half and then roll the rest of the hairs on the downside. Now fold it upward and roll it like this. Now fix it and pull out the hairs from the top and put the hairpin if you want. Otherwise, your hairstyle is almost ready. Next, you have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now take the hairs from one side and tie it on the right side and then fix the other side of the hairs in the same manner. Then fold it upward and fix it on the top by tying a rubber band and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now fix the hairs into each other. Now make the plaits on the hairs like this at the end and then fold it upward and fix it using the hair bun pin to make the bun and it's ready. Fix this stick in the between. Now roll the hairs around it like this. Now tie it down and then fold it upward and fix it like this. Roll it carefully and tie the hairs. Now fold it by tying the hairs upward and fix it carefully as shown in the video and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to pull out the hairs from the top like this. Now take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then fix the hairs like this by folding it upward. Fold the hairs carefully and fix it on the top. Now make the plaits at the downside and pull out the hairs from the sides like this. Fold it upward and fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, you have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back, tie it, now divide the hairs, rotate it and fold it. Make a heart-like shape on the top and it's ready. Now further you can divide the hairs into two parts and then roll it like this and then fold it around the bun and fix it. And your bun is ready. Just put the bun pin to fix it and it's done. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Divide the hairs, fold them on the alternative sides like this using the hairstyling tool. Now again repeat the process for one more time. Now take leftover hairs and fix it on the downside and it's ready. Next, make a ponytail, divide the hairs from the between and then rotate it. Now after rotating it, fold the hairs upward by dividing them into two parts and fold it around the bun. And then spread rest of the hairs from the sides and your hairstyle is ready. Next, take the hairs and then roll it using the fingers upward like this and make a bun. Fix it using the bun pin from the sides and your hairstyle is ready. Take the hairs and then put this stick in the between. Now divide the hairs and roll the hairs around it by dividing them. Tie the hairs and fold it carefully and again fold it upward and fix it around the bun pin like this. Tie it using the hairpin and it's ready.